Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use NetCat in a complete way. To start, open the terminal. There you will use the command on the screen to do an analysis of the local connections of the system. Remember to enter the desired port number. It is possible to carry out the analysis to an internet domain using a range of ports to receive the status of these if we put it in the syntax. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Also, you can perform the analysis on a remote computer by entering the command on the screen next to its respective address. One option of this command is to send messages between local terminals. To do this, open another terminal on the system. On one of the consoles, open the desired listening port using the on-screen command. In the other terminal, use the command that we show you with the local address of the equipment and the port used before. Now, when you enter something in the console, it will be reflected in real time in the other window. It is time to work between both teams. For this, on the main computer, you are going to enable the listening port with the command on the screen. Next, you're going to go to the other computer and use the on-screen command to connect to the main one. After this, enter some text. Pressing enter will reflect this on the remote computer in real time. It is also possible to transfer files with this command. To begin with, you are going to access the file path and see its name with the cd command. Now you are going to execute the command on the screen to upload this file. Remember to enter the address of the remote device or port so that it is available. In the event that the first command does not work, you can execute the following one that we show you since it can happen due to socket errors. After that, you will go to the remote computer, and there you will use the echo command as you see on the screen to load said file. Now run the command on the screen to check that it has been loaded. Using the cat command, you can see the contents of the file. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.